Yo, what's up guys? Today we're about to make a Lamborghini car sound, and make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know how to make Lamborghini or even car sounds, but I tried it different times. I think you will like this one or maybe not. Tell me if you not or not. I'll improve better. Now let's start with the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe. Okay. Okay, so that was my Lamborghini sound. Rated out of 10. Is it 1 or 10 out of 10 or 9.5? You can rate it. Now what's... Bro, what the frick is going on the screen? Why did I cut this out? Okay, so guys, that will be my end. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure